Mr. Paul Care. I am teaching about the determiners. Determiners. What is a determiner? Determiner is a noun marker. It comes before a noun. Example: is a poor man. Here is a determiner. Use of a English alphabet is divided into two groups: consonants and vowels. A, E, I, O, U vowel होती है. The rest of the part is called consonants. So A is used before consonants, and अभी चलिए है divided into two: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article, definite. The is a definite article. Indefinite article a and. A is used before a consonant. Is a woman, is a boy, there is a fan, as so on. And is used. And is using there. And before the vowel sounds, the noun comes before the first letter is the vowel sounds. Example: he is dash SDO. He is dash SDO and SDO. Why? Because S A की आवाज आती है. She is M that is called and. Sorry, we have vowel की आवाज लेके करना है और अभी मेरे से करना है. With a silent H. That means they waited for an hour. Hour is a H is a silent letter, so hour. Or a honest man. Is all this we use an and. Then let's A is used with a consonant sound wow. I met a one-eyed person. I met a one-eyed person. Then use of the is a names of holy books, newspaper, magazine, etc. The Guru Granth Sahib, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Or before the superlative degrees, the highest. He is the best boy in the class. Don't show me. Important trains, the Sadapti, the Shani Punjab, etc. And the directions. The south, the east, the west. Then before the sides, the left, the right. Before the names of planet and geographical objects like the moon, the earth, the sun. Before the names of countries with include words: United Republic, the USA, the UK, the UAE. Before the names of rivers, oceans, mountains, ranges, group of islands. the Ganga, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Suez Canal, etc. Before the names of families, the Guptas, the nobles, to represent the old class. The dog is a faithful animal, the camel is a sheep of the desert, and before the name of common noun, it gives the meaning of an abstract noun. He felt the patriot rise within his breast. He felt the patriot rise within the breast. Patriot means the patriotic spirit or a feeling. Then he acted the Lord wherever he went. Then before ordinals, the first, the second, the last, the ninth and all. Before adjectives when they are used as nouns, the rich, the poor, the brave, etc. Before well-known historical events, the French Revolution, the Industrial Revolution, etc. Before the names of a particular thing, animal, or that has already been mentioned. I have a book, the book is very interesting. I have a horse, the horse runs very fast. The superlatives, the best, the highest. For comparatives, which is the better of the two. He is the better of the two. Before the three parts of the day, in the morning, in the morning, in the daytime, in the evening, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, only three parts of a day. Then, before the names of commissions, as a commission, as a Jain Commission, the Simon Commission, etc. Before musical instruments, he can play the flute. Before the names of the organs of the body, I caught him by the neck. Before the denoting measurement, weight, etc. Sugar is sold by the kilogram, cloth is sold by the meter. Before the person or a thing to be particularized, he is the boy who stood first. Before proper noun to give the meaning of the common noun, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. To give stress a noun, he follows the spirit and not the letter of the rule. To give superlative forces of a noun, it is the event of the year. In certain phrases, he is on the point of death. Crime is on the increase. Before thing which stands for the agent or the thing associated. These places, just a general idea of articles A and D.